Hi everyone, welcome back to Controller AI. My name is Savannah, and today I'm going to walk you through how to take an AI output, send it to Slack, and layer in AI operators all inside a single workflow. We're going to build this from scratch, so go ahead and hit Add New Workflow in the top right. This brings us to our canvas, which you're familiar with. Now, let's drag in our Ask AI node. This is where we'll generate our content. After that, we'll also drag in another node from Slack. Send message. I've already connected Slack to my account, so I'll select our test channel to send this to. Perfect. Now we have two nodes on the canvas, Ask AI and Send Message through Slack. I'll just close this. Let's configure the Ask AI node first. Inside the Ask AI node, select your preferred model. I'm just going to go with this one. And for the prompt, I'm going to write, based on the input provided, write a summary of what you know about the topic in 4 to 5 paragraphs. But before this works, we need to give the AI something to analyze. At the top left of the canvas, you'll see 3 options: Add Node, Flow Inputs, and Triggers. Go ahead and hit Flow Inputs. Here, we'll create a new custom input, just a simple text field. This will allow us to pass any topic onto the workflow when we test it or trigger it later. So I hit Add New Input, keep it as text, and rename it Custom Input, and hit Close. Now let's go back into the Ask AI prompt field. Click Insert Dynamic Data and select your custom input. Perfect. Now whatever we type into that input will be passed directly onto the Ask AI node. Next, let's connect the AI output to Slack. Drag a line from the Ask AI node to the Slack node. Perfect. So after this runs, this will run. Now we can finish the Slack node. Inside the Slack message field, click Insert Dynamic Data again. But this time, instead of selecting the custom input, you'll see a new option, the output of the Ask AI node. So select that. Now the workflow does 3 things. 1, accepts a topic as input. 2, uses AI to generate 4 to 5 paragraphs. And 3, sends that output directly to Slack. But here's where the AI gets more powerful. Let's say 4 to 5 paragraphs is too long for Slack. Instead of adding another AI node, we can use an AI native operator directly inside the Slack message. So after inserting the Ask AI output, we can choose the Summarize with AI operator. Now we can layer another AI instruction on top of the first one. For this example, we can write, summarize this text and return only the key points in one short paragraph. You can even choose a different AI model here if you'd like, maybe a more advanced one for generating content or a lighter one for summarizing, but I'll just keep this one and hit Close. Now we've layered AI inside a single flow. The first AI generates detailed content and the second AI operator refines it specifically for Slack, all without adding another node to the canvas. Now let's test the workflow. In the top right, you can hit Test. Now it's asking for a custom input example. So for this one, I'll write dogs. Now let's run the test. You'll see the workflow execute step by step. Ask AI generates multiple paragraphs about dogs, and Slack sends a summarized version. If we look at the outputs, we can see both the full AI generated response, multiple paragraphs, and the shorter Slack ready message. And if we go over to Slack, we can see that paragraph here. And that's it. That's the power of layering AI operators inside of Controller AI. You can generate, transform, and refine data all visually without writing code or building complicated logic structures. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'll see you next time.